friends, my name is Arjun Chetan Jadhav from Degree Global Academy, Aurangabad, and today I am going to show you a safe that I made from cardboard. So this is a cardboard safe and I also have a key for this safe. So let's begin solving this and opening it. So for that I will just see what this key does. As you see, it does nothing, but when I bring it near the white surface, it is just stick here. So there is something, so you can see it is rotatable, but it is happening nothing. So when I just push this side, so I just push from this corner to this corner, and you see this box is open. So inside this box we have this, a smaller box. Okay, so this is like the small box which we have get. Okay, and it is also looks like a cube. So see here, I have 3 columns here. So if I push any column, nothing happens, but when I push this column back, it is just got back and leave space to move this sliding door this side. So I can just move this sliding door this side. As you see, it is just moved some and it is stuck, and as you see, there is something inside it. So what we will do is, there is a combination formula for opening it. So this side, then up, then it is this again, this side. Now it is down, so down, and this side. So as you see, I have opened it and there is something inside. I will just take it out. Okay, I got this tray, this drawer type thing, and as I open it, oh, there is nothing inside and nothing also in this. So what do we get from this? There should be something, right? So I will tell you that I also have some hidden compartments in my small safes. So can you guess where is the hidden compartment in this? This is just up down. So can you see the hidden compartment? No? I will show you. It is this. This corner is a hidden compartment. It is openable, and as I open it, this comes a hidden compartment. So there is a small paper. Okay, so here is the paper. As I open it, there is one key opens many lockers. So what does it mean? Here we have this key and it is a magnet. So as you can see here, the key is stuck with this. So it has magnet inside now. So here we have a magnet and we can just put it in, and as you see, when I just pull it, there is a message: bye. Thanks for watching and bye.